This is a video of my racers from Cars 1. So enjoy. Here's Rusty Cornfuel, Alan Eigenaxler, Chuck Armstrong, Dirksen D'Agostino, Kevin Racing Tire, Eugene Carbureski, Ryan Shields, The King, Ruby Easy Oaks, Claude Scruggs, Johnny Blamer, Rush Kerber, Billy Oil Changer, James Clean Air, Lee Revkins, Winfred Bradford Williford, Manny Flywheel, Floyd Mullihill, Misty Motorcrass, Krusty Roller, Holland Gas, Darren Leadfoot, Davey Apex, Chick Hicks, Paunchy Wipeout, Ernie Gearson, Lightning McQueen, Kevin Sheffright, and Todd Marcus. And that's all for now. And all I'm missing is Dale Earnhardt Jr., the actual Eugene Carbureski, Ryan Shields, Sawyer Petrolski, Sage Vandersman, Mac Icar, Murray Clutchburn, Jared Candyman, and Ralph Kahlo. So 9 cars. So in the meantime, like and subscribe for more.